Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards. The XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. Today, we'll dive deep into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you decide which card is the best fit for your gaming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT excels in 1080p and 1440p gaming, providing smooth frame rates and excellent cooling. However, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti takes the lead with its advanced ray tracing capabilities and higher performance in 4K gaming, making it the better choice for gamers looking for top-tier graphics. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance, and both cards have impressive cooling solutions. The XFX Speedster features a triple fan design that ensures quiet operation and effective heat dissipation. In contrast, the ASUS Prime utilizes dual axial tech fans, which also provide efficient cooling but may not match the quietness of the XFX card under load. In terms of price-to-performance ratio, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 is a more affordable option at $399, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime RTX 4070 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $869, but it offers superior performance and features, justifying the investment for serious gamers who demand the best. In conclusion, the choice between the XFX Speedster QICK 319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 4070 Ti ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budgets. If you're looking for a solid performer at 1080p and 1440p without breaking the bank, the XFX card is a fantastic choice. However, if you're aiming for high-end gaming with ray tracing capabilities at 4K, the ASUS card is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.